Okay, so I copied and pasted a little section of my email I got from HostGator into here. Now, I bought a different domain than the one I was demoing, so don't let that freak you out. I just need to build a website in a different niche. So I'm going to do that. But you somewhere in there, there's a link that's going to go to your control panel. Click on that. It's going to take you to the control panel for your blog, for your website. And then you want to type in whatever the username and password is they provided and click log in. Very simple. Now, what we want to do is from your menu here is look for WordPress. Just search. Now your search offers are down here, but you want to go and select build a new WordPress website. Now, if this is your root domain, you're going to only have one domain to pick from. Okay, so when it says select your domain, it's going to be whatever domain you have. I have a bunch of them in here, but you're probably only going to have the one domain you purchase. I'm going to add it to Easy Text Ads, which is where I'm going to be. This is the site I'm building, but it would be whatever site you're building. You just select it from the drop-down menu, and you click Next. Now it's going to ask for blog title. Type in your keywords that you selected for your domain name. Username, I usually use admin, and then I always use my first and last name, and then I use my business email address. I even fix my typos most of the time. And then click install. It's going to go out and install this blog for you automatically. Make sure you agree to the terms of service, then click install. And you can see the progress right here. When it's all done, it's going to give you a username and password to the website's where it's installed, the domain, right? So right here, it's installed Easy Text Ads, username and password. So I copy these and I keep them in my Word document or my text file where I have my hosting information. So I got my username and password. So if you want to go log into your site, now you got to get used to logging into your site. Click log in, it's going to go out. Assuming your domain name has had enough time to propagate, it will come up, and then your username is admin, and then your password is whatever it gave you. And boom, log in. Now I usually save this stuff in my password saving program, so I don't have to remember it again. So yeah, that's what I just did twice. So now, here you are, sitting in your brand new WordPress blog. It was not hard to do, was it? You simply just log in your hosting account and it builds it for you. The next video is going to show you some maintenance work you need to do inside here before we can start adding new software in.